Hey guys, what's up? Cookie here, and we're back on single player survival on Terraria, and we're gonna be doing some mining. I just killed like 8 zombies. I don't know if that makes me a murderer or not, but the slime's ticking me off even though I just said hello. There we go. Okay, there's copper there. I need to get that. Is that gold? That's gold or copper. I'm pretty sure this might be lead or something. Yeah, lead. That's good. I'll leave that because that's kind of blocking it from coming down here. What? Oh, it was a trap. It fell from up here. I understand this now. Okay. And it's day 2 in the game, I think. Good thing this mine is like right next to the spawn. So I haven't been playing in my free time, so I literally just got on, so decide why not. Go and play some Terraria. So whoa. That was the best pot I ever got. This is probably, yeah, it's copper. Go mine copper with copper. Because apparently I'm using a copper pick. Let's venture deeper. That's what she said. I need to get that. Bats are lethal. Life lesson, bats are lethal. There's a golden chest. Sapphire. Ooh. Yes. Dynamite. Oh. Yeah, magic mirror that makes you go home. I know because I had this game on 360, so I would know that. Yes. Let's venture deeper, shall we? I don't care how deep I go because I have that magic mirror now. Where is it? There it is. Go and place some more torches. Baby, you light up this world like nobody else. Ooh. Wait. Tapez? Tapat? Oh, there's a worm. Oh, I learned my lesson from attacking worms on 360. Huh? What are you? A beetle. Okay. I can't get up. Can I? Yes, I can. Okay, so let's go even further, yeah? There's dynamite right there. At least it looks like diamond. Gonna need this just in case if I want to be a mage and I get meteorite armor. There's also like ruby or something right there. I'm on me. There's skeleton. Same thing. How do these things have so much health? There we go. It's glowing purple, so it's probably like ruby. That's probably a... Okay, I don't know. I'm not going to take guesses because I probably don't know what it is. See? I told you it was dynamite. Explosives close enough. I think I found some stuff I can mine. Silver and a lot of it. Is this a trap? What is this? Oh no, it's no trap. I don't see anything that can blow up. Oh my gosh. He's wearing full. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Holy crap! Where's the magic mirror? Where is it? Thank you. Holy crap, I don't know what that was. I don't want to see it again. As you can see, I actually put on the wooden armor I made in the last video. So, let's go back to the tree that I completely forgot about earlier. Maybe we'll find a land of harpies at the top. Always want harpies, don't you? Yes, I want the harpies, yeah? Why are you here? Shouldn't you be in the... Oh, that is the bad area. That's the area I don't like, yeah? I'm facing... Why is my person facing like that? Because I was... Holy crap! Bow and arrow's good. Or I'm just using a good bow and arrow thing. Or a good arrow. Why'd I put it there? No, not there. Not there. Thinking tired of this sass. Just die. Thank you. Is that gold at the surface? It is. It's a chupacabra. Oh, it's copper. Close enough. Come on. You don't have to be afraid. Just mine it out. Oh, I don't feel safe anymore. Just don't stop. Just keep running, just keep running, just keep... I don't want to know what that is. What the heck is the stuff that I keep on walking over that hurts me? Oh. Why, Chimera, whatever your name is. Just get away from me. You're a big one, too. And a baby? Why'd you bring your little sister? It's mean. Ow. You just want to find a safe... Oh, I hate this thing. Okay, what if I went the other way? I want to try that. Run, Forrest, run! Janet, I was running. I'm gonna have... Nope, I don't want that. I'm gonna have another, Vega conflict video, like, uber soon, because my last one had a lot of views compared to a lot of my videos. So... only makes me assume you like that game. What's this? Why can't I mine it? Looks like it's breathing. Really? Can I not go deeper? There we go. Nothing's up there. There's a lot of vases. I remember that breaks. Nice gold. Nope. I keep on mixing copper and gold. Well, I won't mix it for this. Come at me. Double hit, bro. Thank you, bro. Okay, yes, I see what's at the bottom, and I want to figure what this is. I want to meet him. I want to say hi. Does he attack? Is it the dodo bird? Oh, he does attack. He does a lot of damage. I didn't know how to kill him at first. I was legit scared. I saw my light flash before my eyes. Jenny! I was in danger again! Even though that's not even the words, the movie. In fact, I made it worse. Okay, I'm going to end the video off here. Please subscribe, like, comment, and tell me if you want to see more of these Terraria videos, and I'll see you in the next one.